how to fix Face ID and Passcode option not showing and missing from settings on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, open your iPhone and simply go to the Settings app on your device. Then all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the Screen Time option available there. Inside Screen Time, scroll down and there you'll get to see Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it. Make sure to toggle it on. Now once you toggle it on, scroll down and look for the password and Face ID option available there. Tap on it. And if it is in Don't Allow option, tap on the Allow and go back to the settings and you will find it. And if this still does not work, then all you have to do is go to the General in your settings. If this one does not work, then please apply this method. Then tap on the Software Update and make sure that your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. After that, all you have to do is go back to the Settings General again. And inside the Settings General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.